चलो 43rd का, this is charge of 2 millicoulomb na, first one, is it 2 millicoulomb?
Yes.
Just read. Read. Aryan Singh, read.
Sir, junior.
अच्छा चलो जूनियर रीड करो, जूनियर.
A particle of mass 1 gram and charge 1 microcoulomb is held at rest on a frictionless horizontal surface at distance 1 meter from the fixed charge 2 microcoulomb. If the uh, particle is, sorry, it's not micro, it's millicoulomb, 2 millicoulomb. If the particle is released, it will be repelled. The speed of the particle when it is at a distance of 10 meter from the fixed charge is.
Okay, 10 meter from fixed charge. When it comes, then what will be the speed? Initially it is at rest. Initially it is at rest. So at this point it will have both potential and kinetic. At this point only potential, correct na? So if I call this as A, this as B, potential at A plus kinetic at A is potential at B plus kinetic at B. I hope this line to you followed. This line you have followed?
Yes, sir.
Potential at A is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon q1 q, distance is 1. Kinetic at A is 0. Potential at B is 1 upon 4 pi q1 q, distance is now 10 meter, plus kinetic is half mv square. So I'm bringing here this side, 1 upon 4 pi epsilon q1 q common, 1 upon 1 minus 1 upon 10 हो जाएगा ना ये, half mv square. This much I think perfectly you have followed, है ना?
Yes, sir.
Now 9 into 10 raised to 9 is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon. Q1 is 2 milli, so 10 raised to minus 3. Q is 1 micro, 10 raised to minus 6 into 10 minus 1, 9 by 10, equal to half. Mass is 1 gram, so 10 raised to minus 3 kilogram into V square. Copy till this. Nine into 2, 18. 9 into 2 will be 18. 10 raised to plus 2, it will become equal to V square. So V equals to 180.
Done, sir.
Next with sum.
59.
59.
So 58 all.
59 and 58 first.
Yes, sir.
58. How many you were supposed to complete today?
100.
100.
100.
100. Okay. 58. फास्ट फास्ट हो रहा है क्या टाइम लग रहा है? Yes?
लग रहा है सर.
लग रहा है? Okay. Electric field produced by electron at a point is E. At a point is E. Okay. What will be electric field produced by lithium? 3 ion है मतलब 3 times charge of electron at the same point. एकदम सिंपल. ये Q suppose electron at distance r field E. जब ये Li plus 3 दिया है ना तो it is by losing 3 electron तो 3Q हो जाएगा ना ये. Hello?
Yes, sir.
What is E formula? 1 upon 4 pi epsilon Q by R square. Correct? So E1 upon E2 is first charge upon second charge. E upon E2 first charge Q दूसरा वाला 3Q. So 3 times E. इसका मीनिंग नहीं समझा होगा शायद आपको.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now 59. 4 charges are situated at corner of a square as shown in the figure. Direction of electric field at the center will be how much? Direction of electric field at the center. Plus 3Q plus 4Q plus 1Q plus 2Q. A, B, C, D. We want at center. All the distances will be same or different at the center?
Same.
Same. But magnitude of charges are different. Therefore, the answer will not be same. Because even though distances are same. I'm starting with plus Q. Plus Q ka intensity, if I take E, then 2Q will become 2E, 3Q will become 3E, and 4Q will become 4E. This much I think has gone again in your mind.
Yes, sir.
चलो तो इधर से स्टार्ट करता हूँ. इसका E बोलता हूँ मैं. So at center O, this is first charge, second charge, third charge, fourth charge. So for third charge, I am taking E positive, therefore outward. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Second charge is fourth charge is 2Q. So this will be 2E. This is second wala 4Q outward. This is 4E. This is 3E. What is E and 3E ka total if they are in opposite direction? Yes. 3E, 2E in this direction, not 2E. And 4E, 2E will be this way. Again 2E. Correct?
Yes, sir.
And result will be along this at bisector.
Yes, sir.
So that means it is along where?
DC.
DC.
Along DC, है ना? Along DC है option में? हाँ आ गया ये answer. Along DC. Option A. No need to calculate. It is just logic calculation. If not followed, shall I explain again?
Follow, sir.
Followed, sir.
Now from 60 to 63, any doubt?
So 60.
60?
So 60 and 62.
60 and 62 doing.
Yes, sir. 60 and 62.
Okay, okay. ये रब कर दो. ये होने के बाद बोलना रब करके फिर 60 and 62 करता हूँ. I'm clearing it off, huh? Shall I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now 60 you are telling, na? 60 is also good, sir. An electron is released from bottom plate A, B, this is field acting from positive to negative, and electron is released from bottom. It will go towards top, na? Because positive will attract, na, electron.
Yes.
An electron is released from bottom plate A as shown in the figure. E is 10 raised to 4. Velocity of electron when it reaches the plate B will be nearly equal to how much? A distance 2 centimeter. So what is formula for velocity? V square U square plus 2AS. Barabar na? Initially at rest plus 2A, distance is 2 centimeter, 2 into 10 raised to minus 2. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Now 2 into 2, 4. This is force upon mass of electron into 10 raised to minus 2. What is force formula? E into E, na, for electron. Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Now charge of electron is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. E is given 10 raised to 4. Mass is 9. Approximately 9 into 10 raised to minus 31 into 10 raised to minus 2. So E will become 64 into 10 raised to minus 20 into 10 raised to plus 2 into 10 raised to 31 upon 9. So E equals to 64 upon 9 into 31 and 2 is how much? 33? Hello?
Yes.
33 and minus 20 is how much?
13.
30.
13, 1, 3.
Yes, sir. Yes.
1, 3. तो इसको 6.4, चलो इधर से स्क्वायर रूट ले लेता हूँ, थोड़ा इजी हो जाएगा. What is square root of 64? Is it 8? 9 का 3, इसका 10 raised to 12 रहेगा तो 6 into root 10. Now this much okay?
Yes, sir.
Just copy this much. So 46, nobody asked me. Everybody got answer? 46 वाला?
Yes.
अच्छी बात. Ayush, how many hours you are studying for physics? 3 hours, 4 hours?
So 3, but like not in one stretch throughout the day.
No, that is okay. Throughout the day, okay. Because एक स्टूडेंट है ना, मैं उसको 100 सम देता हूँ, वो रेडी रह जाता है करके. 200 बोला तो भी बोलता है चलेगा सर मैं कर दूंगा.
Done, sir.
अब एक सेकंड, इसका थोड़ा सा कैलकुलेशन वाला था. See, root 10 I took nearly 3. So 8 by 3, root 10 I took as 3. So this will become 8 into 10 raised to 6. Barabar? Close to this. Can you see A is the option?
Yes, sir.
So this is the answer 60 ka.
Done, sir.
Chalo. 62 now you want, na?
Yes, sir.
Alpha particle of mass and charge 6.4 into 10 raised to minus 27 kg, 3.2 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb are situated in field of 1.6 into 10 raised to 5 volt per meter. Velocity of particle at the end of path 2 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter will be how much when it starts from rest? Okay. At the end of 2 into 10 raised to minus 2 path when it starts. At a distance at the end of 2 meter path. ये तो ये distance हो गया. Yes. Is it similar to that of 60 only now? Starts from rest. Same, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Will you try now? Just try now. Everybody try. Two into 3.2 into 10 raised to minus 19 is 1.6 into 10 raised to 5. S is 2 into 10 raised to minus 2 upon mass 6.4 into 10 raised to minus 27. 3.2 into 2 is 6.4 cancel. 1.6 into 2 is 3.2 into 10 raised to minus 19 plus 3 plus 27. So 3.2 into 10 raised to 27 plus 3 is 30. 19, 11. That is 32 into 10 raised to 10. So root of 32 into 10 raised to 5. So option D. Correct, option D.
Yes. Done, sir.
Then after 62,
66.
64.
64. And then 66. Okay. A thin conducting ring of radius r is given charge plus q. ये same है as you asked me 59. उसके जैसा ही. A, D, C, center O, B, K. Electric field charge is at center. Electric field at center O of the ring due to charge on the part AKB of ring will be easy. Okay. Conducting ring of radius R is given charge plus Q. Center नहीं है, पूरे को charge plus Q. The electric field O in the of the ring due to charge on AQB खाली चाहिए. Okay. Is E. इसका वजह से charge field is E. इसका वजह पे जो charge होगा उससे field is E. The electric field at the center due to charge on the part A, C, DB will be how much? Okay. अभी आपको क्लियर दिख रहा है ये 1/3 है, ये 1/3 है ना.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
तो इसका वजह से जो फील्ड आएगा वो 3 टाइम्स होगा ना.
Yes, sir.
ओके. नाउ 3 टाइम्स बट इन विच डायरेक्शन? In the bisector direction. 3 times ये पूरे का, पर इधर ना ये लाइन में ऐसा बराबर ना, उसका सेंटर पे. ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
So this is from where to where? O to K. Positive. So outward O to K. So 3E along OK. Not followed?
Followed, sir.
अनन्या.
It should be E along OK, no?
नहीं. E तो देखो क्या दिया वो लोग.
Sir, because AC.
A के B का K है, E है, तो A के B पॉजिटिव, तो उसका इधर आ जाएगा ना.
Yes, sir, but AC and DB का cancel होगा ना?
नहीं
Because of
पूरे चार्ज का पूछा है ना आपको, किधर होगा. तो इधर का ये पूरा चार्ज 3Q, उसका रिजल्टेंट इधर आ जाएगा.
okay.
इसका भी देखो आउटवर्ड होगा, इधर से इधर आउटवर्ड होगा, ये आउटवर्ड इधर. अच्छा आप बोल रहे हैं ऐसा कैंसिल होगा.
Yes, sir.
समझा मैं. परफेक्टली राइट. इस ये पार्ट का इधर आएगा, ये पार्ट का इधर आएगा, कैंसिल आएगा. E along K हो बराबर. E along O to K. Which sum we are doing? Sum number 64. D ऑप्शन. ये पार्ट का इधर आउटवर्ड, ये पार्ट का इधर, ये पार्ट का इधर. Then 66 ना.
Yes, sir.
Figure shows an electron E traveling through small hole in plate A. In plate A towards B. A uniform field between the plate shows the electron, slows the electron without deflecting it. What is the direction of electric field? इधर क्या दिया? 10 Q1 है क्या? ये क्या दिख रहा है आपको? Q1 दिख रहा है? A uniform field between the plate which is flowing the electron without deflecting it. This should be negative, na? Then only it will repel and slow down it. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Because it is slowing down, so there is repulsion. Repulsion means minus minus here. So field is from positive to negative. A to B is the field. What is direction of field? A to B. A to B दो option दिया है, B and C. A to B is field. फर्दर देखते हैं क्या बोला है. 3 other charges are plus q1 plus q2 and minus q3 indicated by arrow. Thus kinetic energy of this charge increases, decreases or remains same. Okay, plus q1 will be attracted, so q1 will increase. q2 positive will be repelled by this positive, decrease. q3 negative will be attracted, increase. Check. यह है क्या आंसर? A to B, increase, decrease, increase. Option C. Any doubt in direction again?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Done, sir.
After 66, 67, 68, any doubt?
So
So
68.
68.
68. A charged oil droplet is falling under gravity in the absence of electric field with velocity v. It is held stationary in the electric field. As it acquires charge q, it moves with velocity 3v. Now the charge on the drop will be how much? As it acquires charge q, it moves with velocity 3v. Okay. Now the charge on the drop will be how much? A charged oil droplet is falling under gravity. Falling under gravity with velocity v. It is held stationary in the electric field. When electric field is applied, it becomes stationary. As it acquires charge q, it moves with velocity 3v. When it acquires charge q, then it moves with velocity 3v. Now charge on the drop is how much? So this q dash we have to find. First, have you followed information?
Yes, sir.
So in first case, when it is stationary, what is balancing what?
Weight and electrical force are balancing.
Weight and electric field is balancing. It is further moving with 3v. Obviously this charge should be more, तभी वो नीचे और आएगा ना. एक सेकंड इधर करता हूँ. For free fall, it is going up with velocity v. Going up दिया है क्या? Charge oil drop is falling freely under gravity in the absence of electric field with velocity is held stationary. As it acquires charge, it moves with a velocity 3v. Now charge on the drop is how much? Now the charge on the drop is how much? See, that word is not printed. It is going up with 3v. जब charge आया तो ऐसा है उधर. So can I say QE balances the apparent weight? Hello?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
The electrical force at stationary should balance that apparent weight. ये तो सबको मालूम है अभी.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So when it is falling freely with velocity v, that means frictional force 6 pi eta rv must be balancing the weight mg dash. That it is falling with constant velocity. When it starts falling with constant velocity, then we know 6 pi rv is apparent weight. वापस देखो 68. body falling freely, its apparent weight must be balanced by 6 pi eta rv, then it moves with constant velocity v. Correct ना? ये Stokes law से आ गया concept अभी, because they are telling it is falling freely with v and electric field E can balance it. ऐसा बोला है ना? If drop starts moving up with 3v, upward उधर है नहीं, प्रिंट नहीं हुआ है, moving with 3v, that means ऊपर वाला force which is q dash E minus its apparent weight mg dash must be equals to 6 pi eta r into 3v while moving up. Hello? Okay.
Yes.
That means this q dash E equals to 6 pi eta r v 3v plus m dash g. So q dash E is 6 pi eta r into 3v. M dash g is nothing but qe at balanced point. Six pi eta r mg dash equals to qe. Hello? Now this mg dash I can also write as 6 pi r eta v, na? 6 pi r eta v. आगे जाते हैं. So q dash e will be equals to ये 3v plus v, 4v into 6 pi eta, na? 4 times 6 pi eta rv. Clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So I can get q dash e equals to 4 times 6 pi r eta v is mg dash, which is nothing but q into e. So this will get cancelled. Therefore q dash equals to 4q. So it is 4 times the charge on electron in this case. 4q. थोड़ा एकदम अलग समय है. After this 69 to 70, 69, 70, any doubt?
No, sir.
71, 72, 73, 74?
No.
Sir,
72,
72.
74.
72 and 74, okay. 72. An electrostatic field line never forms closed loop. बराबर है ना ये तो? It never forms closed loop. Reason बोला है, electric field is conservative field. What is meaning of conservative field? Work done will be zero na for the closed loop.
Yes, sir.
Electric field is a conservative field. That means work done to move from A to B It does not depends upon path. Never forms closed field because electrostatic field is assertion is correct. Reason is also correct. Both assertion and reason are correct individually, but it is closed loop not because it is conservative field. It is closed loop because negative from positive to charge will move to the negative. Positive charge can never come to positive because of repulsion. So answer is B. Both are correct. Reason is not correct. B. 74. See, wherever field is uniform, that means they are equal. And if it is diverging, it is small. Very close, converging, then it is large. So I can clearly see EA and EB are same type. And C पे diverging है, मतलब वो less है. EA is same as EB, which is greater than EC. This is the answer. Uniform, same, diverging, less, converging at a point, then it is more. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sir, in answer key, they are given different.
What is the answer given?
For 72 and 74, answer was different. 72 के लिए they gave D.
D.
No. B is the correct. 72 का B is correct. And 74 का C is correct. $75.
76.
76. Very, very important one. Consider electric vector E bar, which is E naught x cap. देखो x cap मतलब ये unit vector along x axis बोल दिया है, similar to I cap. The flux through shaded area will be how much? What is flux formula? Can I say E bar dot A bar? बराबर?
Yes, sir.
तो अभी मैं वो shaded portion का area निकाल लेता हूँ. What is magnitude of area of that shaded portion? A square. Side A है ना सब, A square.
Yes, sir.
Can you see O to A is A, O to A is A, means it is A square, na? So once I know area in vector form, then I will take just dot product of this. अभी इसका direction, it is not in one particular plane. Then I am taking its area. This is O, 0, 0, 0, 0, A, 0. इधर क्या है? A 0 है ना? A दिया है. And this is A 0 A. Hello? Is this a parallelogram first?
Yes, sir.
For parallelogram, what is area formula for parallelogram? Cross product of the adjacent side. Cross product of the adjacent side, correct? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So if this is PQ, this is, suppose you take S, this is R, so this will be PQ bar cross PS bar, na? P2Q, what is vector? P2Q, 0 minus 0 is 0, x cap, a minus 0 plus a y cap plus 0 z cap. It's crossed with PS. 0 a into 0 is a x cap plus 0 y cap plus a z cap. So we got a bar. Zero x into ax will vanish. 0 into 0 gaya. 0 into a gaya. Now ay cap into x cap. What is j cap cross y cap cross x cap?
minus k
Pardon?
minus z cap.
एक मिनट में आई कैप जे कैप वाला ऐसे डिटरमिनेंट से करता हूँ कंफ्यूजन निकालने के लिए. x cap, y cap, z cap, then 0 a 0 a 0 a. That will become x cap bracket minus y cap bracket plus z cap bracket. For x a into a is a square आ गया. For y 0 हो जाएगा. For z minus a square. So we get a square x cap minus a square z cap. Please copy only this much till this. So dot product means x coefficient multiply. E naught a square is the answer. E naught a square is the answer.
Done, sir.
Now tell me 77, 78.
No doubt.
77 आया, zero answer है.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Because of plane के parallel है, इसका angle is 90 with perpendicular. 78, 79, 80,
No, sir.
81, 82, 83,
No.
84, 85,
84.
84, 85 भी doubt होगा शायद. A point dipole is located at a origin in some orientation. Electric field at 1010 on xy plane is measured as 10 raised to minus 3. Electric field 1 into 10 raised to minus 3 at 1010. What will be the magnitude at 2020? Matlab, if you see clearly, R1 is at 1010, R2 is at 2020. So can I say R2 is double of R1? ये तो clear लग रहा है, बराबर? Hello?
Yes, sir.
For dipole, E is inversely proportional to cube. So E1 upon E2 is R2 upon R1 cube. That is 10 raised to minus 3 upon E2 is double R1 upon R1 cube. So E2 will become 1 upon 8 into 10 raised to minus 3. That is same as 10 upon 8 into 10 raised to minus 4. 1.25 into 10 raised to minus 4. 1.25 into 10 raised to minus 4, option D. Because dipole का ये line same है, खाली distance को double किया हुआ है. So everything is same except R. Therefore, I wrote E proportional to 1 upon R cube in case of electric dipole. After this 85 doubtful, or you got 85?
Yes, sir. 85.
Electric field at a point due to electric dipole on the axis. Electric field at a point due to electric dipole on the axis inclined at angle theta to the dipole axis is perpendicular to dipole axis. Both wording confusion वाला है. Electric field किधर? At a point on the axis inclined at angle theta. On the axis inclined at angle theta to the dipole axis. ये dipole axis है. To the dipole axis is perpendicular to dipole axis. So electric field at a point P, which is on the line inclined at theta, is perpendicular to the axis. ऐसा बोला है. So if you draw parallel to this angle is alpha. This is alpha. This is 90. They are telling perpendicular to the axis. E bar. This much followed. Diagram part first. वो main है. What is relation between tan alpha and tan theta? Tan alpha is half tan theta.
Yes.
Tan alpha is half tan theta. Is alpha 90 minus theta? Correct, na?
Yes.
This is 90. This is alpha. This both are 90, 90. Hello? Yeah? कहाँ से? हाँ बोलिए ना. ओ अच्छा, मौर्य मुलुंड से बोल रहे हैं. सॉरी सॉरी सॉरी. मैं भेजता हूँ ऑनलाइन भेजता हूँ. नहीं मैं ऑनलाइन भेज देता हूँ. मैं दिमाग से स्लिप हो गया. भेजता हूँ. एक 5 मिनट में आ जाएगा. ठीक. This is cot theta equals to half tan theta. Okay. Cot means 1 upon tan. So therefore tan square is 2. So tan theta equals to root 2. Theta equals to tan inverse of root. Right. Again good sum. Same thing they can ask even in magnetism chapter.
Done, sir.
Okay. Now which sum you have doubt?
99.
Others have doubt? Any sum in between?
So 94.
Sir, 88 में what is the meaning of board side? Is it equatorial?
Which sum?
88.
88. Broad side. See, broad side is equator. Broad side means
Okay.
equator, end side means axis. 94
Yes, sir.
और 91 आया?
Yes.
Okay. After 94, which one?
98.
98 and then 99, है ना?
Yes, sir.
Then
Yes.
till 100 it is over for you all.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
94, 98, 99. 94, good. 94. 94 का शायद आपको आंसर कुछ रॉन्ग प्रिंट हुआ है, इसलिए आपको नहीं आया. Two charges plus q minus q are placed at distance a in a uniform electric field. The dipole moment of combination is, dipole moment means p bar, is 2qa into cos theta I cap plus sin theta j cap, where theta is angle between direction of field and the line joining two charges, means p and this का direction दिया है, e and p का बीच का direction, और ये q है magnitude और ये component बता दिया, cos theta I cap, cos theta j cap, where theta is angle between direction of field and line joining the two charges. Direction of field and line joining two charges. Okay. Cos theta is horizontal. So this must be field. Then only its cos component will come along x-axis. Which of the following statement is or are correct? Torque experienced by field on the dipole vanishes. Torque experienced by the field on the dipole vanishes. Net force vanishes. Torque is independent of choice of coordinate. Net force is independent of A. If this is minus q, this is plus q. What is direction of force on positive charge in the field? Correct? Hello?
Yes.
So can you tell what will be net force on the dipole? I am getting 0. Net force on the dipole. What you are getting with your common sense? You also will get 0 only, है ना? Equal opposite force 0.
Yes, sir.
Now, तो ये correct है क्योंकि इस बार पूछा, अगला भी देखते हैं. Torque is independent of choice of coordinate. Yes, torque is independent of choice of coordinate. तो force पे depend करता है ना? See, two forces, whichever coordinate you take, it is perpendicular distance will take every time. Net force is independent of A. A मतलब distance. Net force is independent of A, correct? No, it is dependent on QE. Hello?
Yes.
So both B, C, D are correct statement. All the three, B, C, D are correct. Which we did, 94. B, C, D, all are correct here.
Done, sir.
Now 98 and 99 you want. 98, 99. A dipole of moment P is placed in non-uniform electric field along x-axis. Electric field is increasing at the rate of 1 volt per meter. Then the force on the dipole is. Force on the dipole is P is dipole moment given. What is formula for force at the charge Q? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Dipole moment P is placed in non-uniform field. Dipole moment P means 2QA, correct?
Yes.
Electric field is increasing at the rate of 1 volt per meter. So dE upon distance dA is 1 volt per meter. Then the force on the dipole. What is formula for force? Is it QE?
Yes.
That means F will be QE is 1 volt per meter. Force is QE. तो इसका डेरिवेटिव लेंगे तो आएगा force is Q into E. This is changing at the rate of 1 volt per meter. So E is increasing. Non-electric field force acting here is QE, QE, distance A, this is 1. So Q is 1. Distance they have given anything? E upon A is 1 volt per meter. 1 volt per meter. E upon A. So E equals to 1 into A. Force is 2Q. A dipole of P is placed in non-uniform field along x-axis. Electric field is increasing. Net force on the dipole will be how much? Wait a second. It is placed on x-axis. Dipole moment P is placed in non-uniform electric field along x-axis. Okay. Electric field is increasing. Electric field at any point on the axis is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 2p upon r cube on the axis. Now it is increasing at the rate of 2p. Net force will be Q into E. Force on the dipole will be how much? Force on the dipole is QE. E is not constant, that telling E is increasing. So E at any point on the axis is 2p upon r cube, is the center. So this is increasing, they're telling. We want force. Force means Q into E. एक मिनट 98 चेक करता हूँ, थोड़ा रुको. 199 देख लेते हैं. 98 टाइम चेक. 99. Dipole moment is P. Dipole acquires a point such that axis of dipole makes angle theta with the direction of field. Potential energy should of the dipole be 0. When theta is 90, then torque and the potential energy will be how much? What is torque formula? PE sin theta, na?
Yes, sir.
Torque is P sin theta is given at 1, 2, 3 places. No, 3 places. अभी potential energy देखते हैं. What is potential energy formula? Minus PE cos of theta 1 minus cos theta 2. Okay. So minus PE when theta becomes, initially it was at theta. Assuming that potential energy dipole be 0 when theta is 90. Potential energy is 0 when theta is 90. Potential energy 0 when theta is 90. That means initially it was at cos 90 position. Hello? Hello?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Potential energy formula is what? Cos theta 1 minus cos theta 2. So cos theta 1 is initial position, and finally it comes to cos 90, they are telling. So it will be minus PE cos theta. Minus P cos theta, option A. This answer. A is the answer. Hello? देखो any
Yes, sir.
position theta जब भी रहता है ना, तो we say it is moving from 0 to theta. लेकिन ये लोग ने क्या बोला है? It was perpendicular at the start and then you are moving ना. It acquires final position such that axis makes angle theta with the direction of field, assuming that potential energy of dipole is 0 when theta is 90. Potential energy 0 means net force acting is 0. That means it was in the equilibrium position at theta is 90. At new position it is theta. So therefore I wrote minus PE cos theta. This is the answer. A. This one you followed, meaning थोड़ा confusion word है.
Yes, sir.
So generally we write formula like this: PE 1 minus cos theta, assuming that starting is 0. When you take minus PE common, then it will become cos of theta 2 minus cos of theta 1. मतलब ये 2 है और ये 1, तो ये मतलब अपना 90 वाला और ये बाद में कोई भी थीटा वाला, तो ये आंसर आ गया. ठीक है. Now except 98 we have done till 1 to 100. So that means as per that planner we are doing properly.
Yes, sir.
How many more sums are there?
42.
42. वो कल आज करना है ना अपने को, कल के बीच में.
हाँ.
What else is given to you? Let me check. और क्या दिया है आपको? होमवर्क में
तो वही दिया है.
नहीं, आगे लिखा है ना थर्सडे 1 to 60 इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक, दूसरा शीट वाला. आज वेडनेसडे है ना, तो आज आप 142 तक करेंगे.
Yes.
And Thursday 1 to 60. So Friday 61 to 120. That means 42 and the 60 sums I have to discuss on Friday. Okay. Stick to it. That's all for today. We'll meet on Friday as per our timing. अरे Friday किधर, कल भी मिलते हैं. Sorry sir. Sorry. आपका मन ठीक है. Tomorrow we'll meet. Okay.